Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for the latest opportunities, career advice, and opportunities in tech, analytics, and consulting. So, today's opportunity is huge. PwC is hiring for the role of positions of basically for the position of associate into deal advisory, deals tech, and data solutions. So, this is based out of Bengaluru location. It's a full-time hybrid opportunities. This is a chance to join one of the big four and start your consulting career with hands-on analytics and M&A experience. So let's break it all down: eligibility, skills required, and how you can apply. So let's understand about the role first. So, as an associate in Deals Tech and Data Solutions team, you will be a part of PwC's deal advisory practice, helping clients during mergers and acquisitions by using data analytics, visualizations, and modeling. This role is ideal if you are looking to work on real business problems, perform due diligence, and support strategic decision making using data. You'll work in fast paced client facing projects and gain exposure to how corporates, investors, and financial institutions make multi-million dollar decisions. So now let's understand the eligibility criteria for this particular opportunity. So to be eligible for this role, you must, have. So as you can see, they have mentioned over here the entire qualification things. So you must have a bachelor degree into engineering, B.Tech or computer science, triple E, IT, C or related field, with a minimum 60%, with no backlogs, with a strong knowledge of SQL and relational databases, hands-on experience with Power BI, Tableau, View, along with proficiency in Excel and financial reporting. Bonus skill is if you have knowledge of ETL tools and basic accounting principles. So if you have these skill sets, and then already you are in the go, and you will be given preferences. And other skills also they have mentioned, as you can see, ability to think critically about problems, along with Excel based analysis, also like pivot and all that stuff, B lookup, X lookups, formulas, X lookups. So if you know these things, so you are already on the go, as I mentioned. And again, they have mentioned one more bonus skill, which is if you have got certifications in cloud like AWS, Azure, or data science tools like Python or SAS, then again it's a plus. So these are the kind of required skill sets for this role. And now let's understand the eligibility I mean the responsibilities for this particular opportunities. So your key responsibilities as associate into deal and tech at PwC is going to be, as you can see, they have mentioned so many here, but I will just break it down into short. So you'll be basically involved into analyzing large data sets to extract insights for M&A, building dashboards using tools like Power BI, supporting deal advisory through financial and operational analysis, along with working with cross-functional teams and clients across the domains. You'll be building consulting, communications, and stakeholders management skills. So if you are, kind of curious into data driven and ready to learn, and this is your launch pad to a world class consulting career. And plus, you'll also be, building consulting communications that I already mentioned, I guess, yeah. So basically, it's kind of your launch pad to land into the consulting field, and also you'll get to learn a lot of things because it's one of the big four consulting firms. So you'll get a lot of exposure out here. So consider applying for these opportunities. And if you want to apply, just head to the link in description, and we have mentioned directly for this job, and apply as soon as possible because this type of jobs, end up soon, or they might close it anytime soon. So just go and check it out and apply as soon as possible. And yeah, that's it for this opportunity. If you, I would say, if you are a data savvy graduate with a passion of business analytics, then this PwC deal advisory role is a perfect fit. You will not only learn from the best in the industry, but also get exposures to strategic decision making and global clients. And if this video helped you, then please do us a favor, just like this video, subscribe to our channel for the more for daily job alerts like that, and drop a comment if you want help with resume tips, mock interviews, or any other help related to jobs or job findings or anything. And yeah, that's it for these wonderful opportunities. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.